How to turn on background video in Spotify. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device, and now here go ahead and play the video or the song that you want to play in the background. Make sure that the video that you want to play or the song that you want to play in background has video in it. And if the song is just an album without the video, then automatically the video will not be played in the background. However, if the song has background video in it and yet you are not being able to see it on the background of your home screen, then tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option you see there and then tap on the playback option. Here, make sure the picture in picture toggle button is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the picture in picture toggle button. Doing this will shrink video in a mini player when you leave Spotify, as you can see here on the screen. Also, alternatively, it is equally important to have your picture in picture enabled on your device. So launch the settings application on your device and tap on general. Here you will see the option for picture in picture. So make sure that start PIP automatically toggle button is toggled on, and with this the video will be played in background. So this is how you can enable background video in Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.